I'm Alice. I'm 5. I live in London. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about home. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Toothbrush. 牙刷 牙刷 I need a small toothbrush. 我需要一支小牙刷。我需要一支小牙刷。Soap 肥皂肥皂 I like to wash my hands with soap. 我喜欢用肥皂洗手。我喜欢用肥皂洗手。Shampoo 洗发水洗发水。This brand of shampoo is my favorite. 这个牌子的洗发水是我最喜欢的。这个牌子的洗发水是我最喜欢的。Cup 杯子杯子 I like the cup's color. 我喜欢这个杯子的颜色。我喜欢这个杯子的颜色。Umbrella 雨伞雨伞 Take this umbrella with you. 你带上这把雨伞。你带上这把雨伞。Magazine 杂志杂志I read magazines every day. 我每天都会看杂志。我每天都会看杂志。Photo 照片照片 This is a photo of my family. 这是我家人的照片。这是我家人的照片。Key 钥匙钥匙 I forgot to bring my keys. 我忘带钥匙了。我忘带钥匙了。How do I open it now? How do I open it? Somebody help! Somebody help! Vase 花瓶花瓶 This vase is full of flowers. 这个花瓶里装满了花。这个花瓶里装满了花。My lovely vase. I'm going to put some lovely flowers in. Put it back. Stool 凳子凳子 The stool is a bit low for me. 这个凳子对我来说有点低。这个凳子对我来说有点低。This stool is so low. I'm about to fall. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe and like. Thumbs